We here at the Holiday Inn, another by the airport. We're in Indianapolis, Indiana. We're going to take a tour room 300, which is actually right next to the elevator. So that being said, first coming into the room, this right here is my room. That door latch, got a people, emergency vacation, emergency directory, evacuation. Got these two elevators. ThyssenKrupp. This right here is coming into the room. This is my room. We have your luggage or your grips or backpacks, and over here that door goes into the closet and the bathroom. So we'll show you in a little bit. This right here is the only king size suite bed. Only queen size bed. Very, very nice. We have your blanket and pillow, which is very nice. We have a nightstand with your lamp, and it works. It's right here. We have your nightstand with the good book and the phone book. All right, and over here we have your flat screen TV with your remote. Then we have your desk with your telephone, Tanner hotel phone, and with your alarm clock. Got the correct time. And over here, and we have a mirror. Hello. And over here, we have your refrigerator and freezer. And we have microwave or safe. They're very, very clean. All right. And we have a window with the air conditioning unit. Nice buttons. Too high or too cold, too heat, the freezing, the heat. They're very, very clean. And here's your view of the right across by the airport. Another by the airport, like one over at by the north side by the airport, too. All right. All right. Let's head to the closet. This is your standard hotel closet with your iron board, with your hangers, and your blanket up there. All right. Now let's check the bathroom. This right here is a hotel bathroom with your hair dryer, You have a mirror. Hello! Standard hotel sink. Hot, cold. Is the pipes. They're very clean. Here's the toilet. Nice, nice clicking button for flush. They're pretty clean. Now over here is a bathtub with your shower head. Hot, cold. They're very nice for shower. Cold, hot. All right. All right. All right. Let's take one more look at the room. So, what do you think of this hotel room? Very pretty cool and very nice. And really like it. So, with that being said, thank you for watching. That is all.